Is your 2024 Nissan Qashqai's alarm going off for no reason? You're not alone. Many owners are experiencing this, often due to issues with the proximity antenna, door switches, or the body control module. The alarm system is designed to prevent theft, but sometimes these components malfunction, triggering false alarms. The good news is there are several ways to address this. First, check for any recent technical service bulletins from Nissan, particularly TSB NTB 25-001, which addresses false alarm activations. A BCM software update available through Nissan Connect or at a dealership has resolved the issue for many. Also, consider recent weather changes, as cold weather snaps might affect sensor sensitivities, causing the alarm to trigger unexpectedly. If a software update doesn't fix the issue, continue watching for other solutions. The Prox Antenna is a sensor that detects your key fob's proximity. If faulty due to dirt, damage, or interference, it can misread signals and trigger the alarm. Try cleaning it with isopropyl alcohol as a temporary fix, or consider replacement. Door switches detect if your doors are properly closed. Corrosion or misalignment can send false signals, triggering the alarm. Check for any visible damage or corrosion on these switches. The BCM, or body control module, is the brain of your car's electrical system. A reset can clear glitches. Disconnect the battery for 10 to 15 minutes to perform a hard reset. If the problem persists, a software update from Nissan might be needed. Remember, Nissan's warranty covers repairs up to 36 months or 36,000 miles, so contact your dealership if needed. Also, be aware of potential electromagnetic interference from devices like Wi-Fi routers that could trigger the alarm.